Hey there everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. My name is Jessica if you're new here, and welcome to my channel. If you like what you see today, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell so YouTube will notify you every time I upload a new video. And for today's video, I am taking 4 of the plastic ball ornaments from Dollar Tree and transforming them into some easy budget-friendly farmhouse ornaments. This video is in collaboration with Courtney from Creative on the Cheap, and I'll link her channel down below. Also, her video down below because she will be transforming some of these Dollar Tree ornaments as well. So you want to head on over there after you are done here and see what she did to her ornaments and let her know that I sent you. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so for the first bulb, I am just going to fill it about halfway up with some regular old white sugar. I think this is a budget-friendly option if you don't want to go out and buy that fake snow, because most everybody has white sugar in their cabinet, especially around the holidays. And then all I did was print the words Merry Christmas out onto a regular piece of paper and place it into the bulb and use my scissors to move it around just to make sure that it was up front and you could see it. And then I took these berry bushes from Dollar Tree and I cut some of the branches off and then just placed them inside the bulb. After that, I decided to wrap some red twine that I got from Dollar Tree around the silver top of the ornament, just to cover that up so it would tie in more with the decor that was inside the ornament. So I just used my hot glue to kind of secure it down, and then I just took another piece of the twine and used that as a hanger. And I think that these would make great ornaments, but also they would make great place card settings. You could print anything out on that little slip of paper and use them at your holiday table setting. The next ornament was super easy. I just brushed some Mod Podge on top of the ornament all around, and then I took one of those natural coffee filters and just wrapped it up around the ornament, and then took some more Mod Podge and brushed it on top of that so it would stick down really well to the ornament. And then I wrapped the silver top again in this time some cotton twine that I had, and I just wrapped that all the way around and secured it with some hot glue just like I did with the red twine. And then for the hanger this time, I am taking a scarf from Dollar Tree and just cutting a piece of it out and then just using that as the hanger and tying it at the top. After that, I just cut some more of those berries off of that branch and just hot glued it around the ornament. Okay, so for this third ornament, I am just using a Sharpie paint pen in the color red, and I am just writing out the word joy onto the ornament. Now, I'm not the best at handwriting, so I printed out a piece of paper with the font I liked and the word joy written out, so that way I could kind of have a reference to look at that while I was drawing this onto the bulb. And I kind of went back and made some of the lines thicker on the words just so that way the word would stand out a little bit more and have a little bit more depth and interest. Alright, so now I am just taking that scarf again and cutting another strip out of it and using that to kind of wrap around the top of the ornament to cover up that silver part again. So I just used my hot glue and just wrapped it at one part and then kind of wrapped it around, kind of like a scarf. You would wear a scarf, so the ornament kind of had a scarf, I guess. So then I just took a piece of the red twine and used that again as my hanger. The last ornament, I just took some regular twine here and tied a knot at one end, and then I used these alphabet beads that I got at Walmart for a couple bucks for a giant bag of them, and I just strung them onto the twine to spell out Mary, and then just tied the other side of the twine so that way the beads would stay in place. Alright, so next I just took those same berry branches from Dollar Tree and cut those up into small pieces and then just stuffed them inside the ornament and filled it up as much as I could. And then after I put the berries in, I placed the Mary beaded word inside the bulb as well and kind of shook it around and used my scissors to move it so that way it would be the right direction. Then I just took some of the regular twine again and wrapped that silver piece the same way I did with the other bulbs, and then took just a piece of the twine and used that as my hanger, and that was it for this bulb. Alright guys, so these ornaments were budget friendly and super easy to do. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and make sure to head on over to Courtney's channel next so you can see her ornaments. Alright, I will see you guys next time. Take care, bye bye!